जो आज क्लब में जो इंसिडेंट्स हुआ, अनफॉर्चुनेट इंसिडेंट्स, इस तरह का इंसिडेंट्स कभी नहीं होना चाहिए। गोवा जैसे टूरिज्म स्टेट में कुछ जो इलीगल्स या विदाउट परमिशन इस तरह के जो चलाते हैं, और इसी में जो फायर इंसिडेंट्स हुआ, इसी के कारण यहाँ पे जो उनके स्टाफ और एक 3-4 टूरिस्ट जो अंदर थे, ने 2-3 इनको जल के हुआ, बाकी लोग बिकॉज ऑफ द सफोकेशन उनकी डेथ हो गई। ऑल टुगेदर 23 लोगों की डेथ हो चुकी है। जिनकी डेथ हो चुकी है उनके प्रति संवेदना मैं व्यक्त करता हूँ। गोवा सरकार की तरफ से पूरी उसकी इंक्वायरी की जाएगी और जो कल्प्रिट इसमें हैं जो उनको बिहाइंड द बार्स किया जाएगा।
सर, क्या आप मानते हैं कि बहुत बड़ी घटना है? पिछले 5 सालों में इस तरह की घटना कभी नहीं हुई थी।
गोवा के हिस्ट्री में इस तरह का टूरिज्म लेवल पे इंसिडेंट होना है बहुत बड़ी घटना है। इस तरह का इंसिडेंट कभी नहीं हुआ था। तो इस तरह की फायर सेफ्टी और ट्रेजेडी, दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम एटलीस्ट, इस 10-20 साल में जो पहला इंसिडेंट, इतनी बड़ा इंसिडेंट कभी नहीं हुआ था। पर हैंड्स फोर्थ मैं मेरे पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट, फायर डिपार्टमेंट, इनको पूरी तरह से सेफ्टी लेने की, सभी प्रिकॉशंस लेने के लिए कहूँगा।
On this type of incident is the first time in your constituency?
First time in I feel in Goa state. After I'm actually disturbed because of the whole thing. I won't be able to talk more. I already spoke inside.
How many casualties?
23 casualties are there. Among that 3 women are there, and 20 male, middle
Any
aged.
tourist or the local?
Some are tourists. Mostly are I think our locals who are working in the basement of the restaurant. So it's very sad incident what has happened.
So what time is the exact is the fire?
Now nearly 4 hours, no?
Okay, 4 hours.
Any eyewitnesses we have seen?
Yeah, the same lady who ran out, and there were more tourists who ran out for the shelter. Means they have come out from the club.
Okay, what
when
is the
fire
statement from the police department?
They have given
They are
already
investigating.
statement. They have already given. We'll have to take safety audit of all the other clubs in the state of Goa, which is very, very important.
So now situation what?
See, it is very sad what has happened in our state of Goa, which was always called as a tourist friendly and safe. Tourists were always looked at as a very safe destination. But what has happened about this fire incident is very disturbing. And in future this should not happen. And for that we need to take all types of measures, and especially safety audit by the fire department amongst all the clubs, restaurants which are air conditioned. This similar incident had happened in Mumbai, which was an eye opener 2 years back, which I had taken a press also, that we need to do safety audit in the state of Goa, and this should be done on priority basis, on top priority. Safety of tourists and also the workers who are working in the establishment is very much important, and for that whatever needs to be done by the owner before the premises is opened, blueprint which is stamped by the fire department should be there in place, and all those things should be fire hydrants, fire extinguishers, sprinklers, underground sump of nearly 1 lakh liter capacity water should be made available on the ground.
If any injury is there, some people?
No injury. This is mostly suffocation which has happened, where the people ran in the basement and they got suffocated over there.
Yes, thank you.